Hi everyone! If you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy the XDC on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy XDC on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, to find the XDC, tap onto the search bar and type it and search for it. Now here is the thing, if the XDC is not available on the Coinbase app, then it will show something like this. And if it is available, you can simply tap onto buy button and add your payment method and buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy the XDC on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.